Hello and welcome. While not a full AI platform, Reddit has its own AI. If you go to the Reddit site, if you have an account, and you look to the left side, you're going to see an element here that says Answers. Currently, as of the recording of this video, Reddit Answers is in beta. If you click on that link, you'll get access to this dashboard that says Reddit Answers. What you can do is you can ask a question of Reddit Answers, and Reddit will allow you crowdsource an answer to a specific question from its database of user interactions. We are going to type in a complex query. We are then going to click Enter, and we're going to give Reddit Answers the opportunity to answer the question. And what you'll notice is that Reddit will then produce answers. And in many cases, those answers are going to be based on specific posts from Redditors. You can then go to specific elements, and what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to click on the links. The links will then reference a specific post on Reddit, and you'll be able to go to the post and element in Reddit where the question is answered. Again, Reddit Answers is currently in beta. And so, if you want to answer the kind of questions that will be best answered by crowdsourcing, Reddit may be a good alternative to a chatbot. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.